Hi, it's Adrienne, and I'm back. I didn't know what to name this video because I was really thinking that it should be how to go ahead and match your fake tan to your foundation sort of summer video, but I was also thinking that it's really a red look and that it was sort of a seeing red kind of look for the summertime, and red is a, you know, it's definitely a summer color, but it's definitely a little bit more difficult to work with in the summertime than I think in the wintertime. And I don't do red looks a lot with the color of the hair here. So all sorts of different ideas of what you could call this one. But I guess we'll get started. And first off, I have the NYX Glaze, and this one is in the lightest color that definitely wasn't matching me after my fake tan. And I've been using the Bondi Sands olive tone for my fake tan right now. And so instead of trying to get a new foundation and matching it that way, I did go ahead and get the bronzing drops. These are from BPure over at the Dollar Tree. And I did go ahead and mix them with this to go ahead and get, something that looked like what I have right now. And so I think that's probably the way to go for most people, because especially with tints, you don't really need it to be matchy and that kind of thing going on. I did also get the BPure bronzer and went ahead and used that for the bronzer today. And I didn't do very much of it because I didn't want to go ahead and do all the contour and everything and all the bronzing and then walk outside. And since it's so hot outside, it would be gone in 5 minutes. So I used a little of it right under the cheekbone. But I didn't really do a full face of makeup. I guess this video is really more how to do a summertime glam look. So I did go ahead and use a couple of other products from BPure. I did go ahead and use their blush as well. And then as far as my highlighter, I used the NYX Royal Highlighter. But like I said, I didn't do all the contour. I didn't do any of that. So I just went for basically putting as much glittery looking everything on instead of going ahead and doing contour. And so keeping it a lot simpler for the summertime. And as far as Royal Highlighter goes, this one's from the Bridgerton collection that came out during the holidays, and I think that it's just really pretty neutral, and it has a lot of shine to it, so it can definitely go ahead and add a lot to your cheek look. And so that's one that I have on there. As far as the red eye look that I did today, I went ahead and used Colourpop Shrek. This one sold out several times. I actually wasn't able to get it until the third restock of it, so I know that it's been out for a while, but it's still a new palette to me. And so I went ahead and used this in the crease, and then I went ahead and used the glitter on top of it, went ahead and used this on the lid, and then I went ahead and used one of their glitter formulas on the lid. And I went ahead and used this one right under the eye. I didn't use any eyeliner or anything because basically I wanted the glam to go ahead and be the glitter, the glitter in the highlighter and the glitter in the eyeshadow, and didn't want the contour and all that stuff because, again, it's just going to melt off anyway. And then as far as what I did for lips, I went ahead and used the Hard Candy. This is the Pop Tint, and it's actually a stain, which again during the summertime is a really good thing because not only will it last longer, but it's not going to be going all over giving you the clown face kind of thing going on. And then I did go ahead and use the e.l.f. lip oil on top of it. So yeah, that's how that looks. And yeah, it definitely is possible to go ahead and do a red summertime look. I think a lot of us really hold off on red until the winter time or until the autumn, you know, just because it's it'll go ahead and brighten you up when you're losing all your tan and everything. But yeah, you can definitely go ahead and work it out this way. And as far as what else I used, I did go ahead and use the Lash Without Limits by Essence and the Make Me Brow by Essence as well. And let's see, what else did I go ahead and do here? Oh, Morphe. So setting powders, or in this case, finishing powders. And usually I use the Morphe Dawn. Really like this whole line of products, but this one is really light. And so in the effort to go ahead and match the fake tan, or at least mix with the fake tan, I did go ahead and use the Morphe, and this one is the Sunrise as far as the finishing powder, which has it's a lot darker and just gives you more of a tanned kind of look. And the e.l.f. is for the setting spray. Again, doing a glam look, a red glam look, and hopefully a glam look that'll last for a little while and not just completely sweat off your face. And this is kind of what I came up with. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and I'll go ahead and see you later, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.